Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here at Ablewaytech with another trading example. And this one's actually a swing trade. I know I've been doing a lot of day trading mostly, and I want to start doing a little bit more swing trading. So this one is a trade on the daily time frame, TRV from the Dow 30, and combines the weekly and daily time frames with an easy PSAR flip entry and exit. So let's get into it. So what we were using here was a combination of the daily and weekly time frames. Our basket of symbols that I had been stalking was the Dow 30, all the 30 symbols in the Dow 30, as well as 32 from our BMR 32 portfolio. And what I liked about this one was that we had this big move up here. This is on the weekly. This one's the weekly. Over here is the daily, so we're doing kind of a higher time frame analysis. We had this big move up on the weekly, and so our PSAR had flipped to the upside, and then up around here, it had started to peter out. And if we look over here on the daily, what that looked like was all this kind of sideways chop, kind of like a head and shoulders kind of pattern. And when we had here this, I'll zoom in on this. So on the daily, what we had was this PSAR flip at the end of this right here, right? So we had this down day that then produced a PSAR flip here, so that our bias was now short. So this was just an end of day trade. I basically just waited till the close, saw that the PSAR print had flipped, and then took a short position at the open of the next day. And I used that initial PSAR flip up here as a stop. And then what I did is I just rode the PSAR down. You can see how it really nicely stays out of all this noise. And then when it finally did break back through here, we were able to just ride that PSAR, those PSARs down. So every day I would just ratchet my stop down with the PSAR, easy peasy. And then once it got down to here, it finally turned around. This day it hit our PSAR, and we got a nice little profit there, 1.2R. So these kinds of patterns, swing trading on a daily and weekly chart, can be really nice when you don't have a lot of time during the day and you just want to look at the market after hours and set up buy and sell signals to monitor a swing portfolio. Click the link in the description to check out our trading courses at ablewaytech.com. You can also sign up for our free weekly newsletter there. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more trading examples and trading lessons posted each week. Thanks for watching.